30th or 31st, around there.
Around 30th or 31st
Yes, sir.
of September.
Yes, sir.
Which year?
2022.
So when did he call you that he was coming from the west?
He called me on the 3rd of September 2022.
3rd of September. Now you told us 30th September when
No, that was August.
you made a correction.
Yeah, he called me around August,
Yes.
when the August was ending, around 30th or 31st.
That's when you left for
That's when he called me, that's when he took the vehicle. I don't know when he left for Toronto.
That's when you took the
Yeah,
vehicle.
sure.
So can you proceed on because that he's coming?
Yes. He called me that he was coming. I don't sleep. I waited. He told me by 10 p.m. I would be there. I waited 10, 11. I didn't call back, but his phones were off. Then he called me at 11. He told me that he was approaching Namgongo, but he didn't know my home. I directed him. There is a popular place that many people know called Pastor Sewa's place, which is near my home. I told him to
Namgo,
in Namgongo, South Estate.
Southwest.
Yeah, sure. Then we met there. When we met, he had 2 vehicles. Can you check the numbers?
The particulars of those vehicles.
Yes, he had Range Rover, red in color, UPF 564M, UPF 564M. He had a Land Cruiser, black in color, UPJ 521N, N for Nairobi. He told me, I was expecting 1 vehicle.
Which one were you expecting?
I was expecting Range Rover red in color, UBF 564M.
Okay.
But he told me how he was leaving all the vehicles, including another one that was not yet there, that he needed money, more money. UBF 564M.
So you already knew that. And the Land Cruiser?
Yeah, and he told me, I was expecting 1 vehicle, but he told me that he wants to park 3 vehicles, and I asked him more money.
How much money did he want?
What he told me, I want a lot of money, that's why I'm working. He did not specify. I told him, since it is a weekend, maybe you can park, then we meet on Monday.
Where was it that day? What was the day?
The third day, where was the third day?
After parking those two, he told me that the third vehicle was coming for them, that he was with other people, they left. He told me that when the third vehicle arrives, he will let me know. After like 40 minutes, he called me, said, go to your stage near Tusu petrol station. You will find it there. It is near our place. I went there. Tusu petrol station. I went there. I found the vehicle parked. I called him, Sipapa. He told me that is the vehicle because it was late. It was the only vehicle that was
What
parked.
kind of vehicle? What type of vehicle?
It was Rambler Unlimited.
Was what?
Rambler Unlimited.
What was the registration number?
UBE 966K.
Did you find anybody in the vehicle?
I did not find anybody.
And how did you get access?
When I reached there, it was late. Actually, it was the only vehicle there parked. I asked him. I was like, but there is no problem. He said the keys there. He spoke this one in Uganda. I said, like they have gone, people who are driving it.
What time was it at that point?
It was coming to midnight.
Midnight.
Yes, after I packed them, and we slept. It was a Sunday.
How did you get it?
You found it back, the key where
The
was
key
it?
was inside. Even he told me, directed me that the key is inside. You enter, you find the key there.
And the car was open.
It was open, yes.
Who drove the car?
Oh,
Yes, who drove the car?
myself.
nti emmotoka eyo eya Range Rover yaliyo naye wali kimuwadde ng'obusimbo ng'amaze okuwa $7,500,000 ze watwala nga 12,822 nti wamuwa kaadi y'emmotoka ng'eri mu mannya ga Fatuma Muhammad era n'omulaga endagaano gye wagigulirako ate n'omulaga n'omukyala gwe wagigulako endagaano yali mwagiwandikanga 6/7/2022 nti emmotoka wagimusaba wakati wa nnaku z'omwezi 3 omugamba wali ogenda Tororo naye tamanyi lunaku ki lwe wasimbula ogenda Tororo nti oluvannyuma bwe wamukubira essimu n'ogamba nti teyeebaka akulindeko n'amala nakulagirira wa omusiikanira awo nga ewa Pasita Serwadda kubanga yekumpi n'ewuwe ate nga buli omu ategeerawo nti bwe mwasisinkana wajja n'emmotoka 2 emu yali Range Rover nga myufu nga eri namba y'ebbiye 564 ey'okundi yali Land Cruiser nga nzirugavu namba y'ebbiye 521N nti n'omugamba nti oli ogenda mulekera emmotoka 3 kubanga wali oyagala ssente endala nga nnyingi n'amugamba ng'eti yali wiikendi nti opaakinga emotoka nti okomyewo mande akuwe ssente nti n'omugamba nti emotoka eyokusatu yali tenatuuka naye bwe betuuse ojja mugamba nomugenda oluvannyuma n'omukolera n'omugamba nti emotoka etuuse nti agende ku petrol station eya Tusu eri kumpi n'eyovaako ebuwe nti n'agenda n'asanga emotoka eyali pakinze ku Tusu petrol station yali Rambura Unlimited nga namba UBE 966K nti yasanga omuntu yenna mu motoka ate yasanga nga nzigule era kumukubira n'omugamba abayala baali baleese emotoka baali bagenze n'omugamba nti emotoka nzigule n'ekisumuluzo mwekiri kwe kuyingira n'agivuga n'agituusa ewaka eyo.
Did he follow up on the money because now he wanted more money?
No.
What happened?
On Sunday, we went to church with my family. We got out of church after 1. Get out of church, news was all over Omupya. Social media everywhere, how they are looking for Sipapa, how he stole someone's money. I tried calling him, his numbers were off. I went back home. I called yes, I went back home after seeing that his phones were off. I had a number for then came PCID, called Omugaga. I called him. I narrated the story. I told him how I gave Sipapa money. It was the reason of bringing parking the vehicle to my place. But he brought money because he wanted more money. Yes, he told me to take the pictures of the vehicles. I took the pictures and sent them to him. He told me not to give them to anybody. I remained with the vehicles. On Monday, I think Monday, Sipapa called me. I asked him what had happened. He told me, surely I did not steal anyone's money. They are just fabricating the story. Then he told me that he would call me back. I think like after a day or two, he called me. He told me that he wanted to see me. He was confused. I said, you come. I directed him that he was not still remembering where he had parked the vehicle. I told him, come nearing. It was in the morning. It was like at 10 a.m. nearing Pastor Selwata. also in my own vehicle.
Where did you get them?
I'm here, Pastor Selwada, in the road, just in the road.
Selwada's residence?
No, around the place.
Because it's called
Some connected estate. Near Pastor Selwada. Near Pastor Selwada residence. Yes, sir. Yeah, I met him, I sat with him. A young lady remained in her car. I asked him, Sipapa, did you steal? He told me, I swear upon the living God, I did not steal. I said, tell me the truth. We see. He told me, I did not steal, but I don't know what to do. Then I asked him, why are you hiding? He said, I'm hiding because I don't know what to do. They are fabricating the story. I don't know what to do. Then I said, if you know you did not steal, hand over yourself. If not, I will get you stolen. And he called someone I didn't know by the names of Katamba from CI, Criminal Intelligence. Yeah, I did know him.
Who called?
Sipapa.
Okay.
When you called him, you talked to him, he said, people are fabricating, they are looking for me. I don't know. You can even talk to Liz. In my short names of Elizabeth, we call him Liz. And he talked to Katamba. Katamba told me that if Sipapa knows that he did not steal, let him hand himself to us, we shall help him. I convinced him, then he talked to Katamba, they knew where they were going to meet, that I didn't know. Katamba took my number, my MTN number, said if we get him, I will call you.
Did he hand over the documentation of the two vehicles?
No, he was supposed to hand them over when he was going to get the money. After talking to Katamba, he left my vehicle. He continued with that young ladies where they were in the small vehicle. They left, I also left for work. In the afternoon, like at 2-3, I received a number that I didn't know. He introduced himself as Katamba from CI. Told me that yes, we have Sipapa. Then we had even the papers, what all social media was confirming it that he was in Omugaga police station. After a week, I think, one Joel, CID Omugaga, that I didn't know, called me, told me, I want those vehicles. I told you, one vehicle has a date here with me, Range Rover, UBF 564M, and even others. CID KP instructed me not to release them. I said that even others, KP CID, told me not to release them.
Who in particular?
Afande Omugaga, then. Then after talking to Joel, said Karaga, when the call dropped, I called Kagarura immediately, Kagarura. The then CID came to CID. I told him how one called me, called Joel of Kagaragara CID, that he wanted the vehicle. He told me, you hand him over. I asked him how I would get my money since the Range Rover Red, I have it as security and I'm a registered money lender. How can they take it when it is supposed to be here? He told me, cooperate, hand them over, all of them, we shall see how to help you. That is how we, then he told me that a lawyer called Sekade Udara was calling me to pick them up. Council secondly Udara called me. I directed him to National Bureau of Standards, which is also near my place, because I didn't want people to know my residence. We drove the vehicles to Bureau of Standards. That's where they picked them from.
Were you present when they were?
I was not present. Council Udara called me when I was in Mengo. I'd gone to visit a child at school, but my husband was at home. I told him to help me drive the vehicles to Bureau of Standards.
How much was he owing you the first security? The Land Rover?
Yeah, the Land Rover was 75, but when he took the V8, the first time I met him, he
How
remembered
75
million
was?
shillings.
But what the first vehicle is not part of the vehicles that you had.
No.
So we need to have that.
Okay.
The first vehicle is
The first vehicle is SSD.
First transaction when you first made.
so it's not one of these three cars.
No, it's not.
Ku Sunday yagenda mu church ne family ye era ne bavaayo ssaawa 7 ez'omutuntu naye bwe bafulumiranga amawulire geetolodde buli wamu nga gagamba nti Sipapa yali abbye esente z'abantu nti yagezaako okukubira naye amasimu go gaali tegayitamu n'agenda ewaka era n'akubira afande Kagalula n'amugamba nti akuwa ssente ate nti wali oteesa emmotoka nyingi oyagala ssente eziwerako n'amugamba nti agule ebifaananyi by'emmotoka ezo wali musindikire n'azikuba n'asindika ebifaananyi n'amugamba nti emmotoka ezo taziwa muntu yenna nti kumande Sipapa n'omukubira nti n'omugamba nti tewabba ssente wabula ebisambo wali babipanga bukwanze nti n'akugamba nti n'omugamba nti ojja kuddamu omukubire oluvannyuma n'omukubira n'omusaba okumulaba kubanga byali bikusobedde nti nakkiriza n'ojja mu kamotoka akatono ng'omukyala yali akuvuga oluvannyuma omukyala n'asigala mu motoka wenovaamu n'otuula naye ne mwogera kumpi n'amaka ga pasita Serada nti n'akubuuza oba waka ssente n'ogamba si kituufu n'akubuuza lwaki wali wekwese n'ogamba wali tomanyi kyakukola kubanga byali bikusobedde n'akugamba kyeweeweeye eri poliisi bakuyambe nti n'omala n'okubira afande Katamba n'oyogera naye n'omala n'omumuwa naye ayogere naye era bweyayogera naye n'amugamba akugambe nti weeweeye eri poliisi basobole okukuyamba era n'ayogera naawe n'akusonasona oweeweeyo eri poliisi nti emotoka endala zewaleeta tewaleeta biwandiiko bizikwatako kubanga wali wakubireeta ng'otwala ssente olwo okusaawa nga 8 ez'emisana Katamba yamukubira n'amugamba nti bali bamaze okukwata nti ng'oli ku poliisi ya Kabalagala omupoliisi wa Kabalagala gwe bayita Joel yamukubira n'amugamba nti ayagala motoka ezo n'amugamba nti emotoka emu yaliko ebbanja ate endala omupoliisi gwe bayita Omugaga yali amugambye obutaziwaayo nti Joel bwe yava ku ssimu n'akubira Kagalula n'amugamba nti bali bamusabye emotoka ezo baziweeyo n'amugamba emotoka aziweeyo eri poliisi batandikira awo oluvannyuma waliwo looya gwe bayita Sekandi Abdala yamukubira nga agenda kukima motoka oba mukubira yali taliiyo yali agenze Mengo okulaba omwana n'abalagirira kumpi ne waka kubanga yali tayagala abantu bategeere waka ewuwe n'abalagirira bamusange ku Bureau of Standards awo era we bajja emmotoka ezo engeri yali tali waka bawe yamuyamba emmotoka ezo okuzivuga kuzituusa ku Bureau of Standards naye emmotoka eyasookera ddala yali erina number plate eya South Sudan